The Cubanacan Group has prepared itself in the continuous improvement of its facility, both for those of sun and beach and those of city and nature, always keeping in mind the pleasant and safe stay of these clients. We have adapted manuals and procedures of hygiene endorsed by the Ministry of Public Health of the Republic of Cuba, comprising more than 150 measures of sanitary safety. We thus offer a peaceful vacation, knowing that the world has changed and the Cubanacan is adapting to the new times. In the perimeters of the hotel, each transport vehicle, whether with clients, suppliers or service providers' vehicle, will have their tires fumigated with the required products to ensure their disinfections. When guests enter the hotel, a health employee will take the temperature of each guest. Disinfectant for footwear and antibacterial gel or chlorinated water will be available. At each reception, there will be signs displayed to maintain a safe distance between guests, and each receptionist will be properly protected for his/her safety and that of the guests. Disinfectant will be applied to the luggage, as well as to baggage-handling equipment, and electric cars will be applied each time they are used by different guests. In the first phase of hotel reopening, in order to maintain a safe distance between the guests, the service in the bars, snack bars, and lobby bars will be eliminated, and a personalized service to the tables will be ensured. Antibacterial gel or chlorinated water will be available at the entrance of elevators, and they will have a limited capacity, except for families, according to the marks indicated on the floor. For public restrooms, the entire contact surface will be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected, and there will be accessory for hand sanitizations. Prior to the entrance of clients in the room will be properly sanitized, simultaneously by the employees of maintenance and by the maids, emphasizing the disinfection and cleaning of usual handling elements, such as areas of the barroom and air conditioning equipment. Once these procedures are complete, only the guests can open access to their room. Within the sanitary safety measures, part of the linen, carpets, decorative pillows, bathrobes and brochures will be removed. Blankets and bathrobes protected with nylon will be delivered at the request of the guests. Disinfection products will be available at the entrance of the specialized restaurants. Blackboards or other means of displaying the day's offer will be used instead of menu holders. In order to ensure a safe distance between guests, the tables will be 1.5 to 2 meters apart, and disposable or washable placemat will be used. To extend health and hygiene measures, room service will be available at the request of guests. In buffet restaurants, the capacity will be limited. Safe distance will be ensured between tables, and different settings can be arranged depending on occupancy, while maintaining health and hygiene safety. The service in buffet restaurants will be combined at the station and at the table, show cooking and help at the table, as well as having portioned and individual preparations, cold starters and desserts. Bread will be served preferably at the table. If necessary, other areas for catering will be used, including specialized restaurants, as well as a station or staggering of the service hours of breakfast, lunch and dinner. Distance between loungers in pool and beach areas will be ensured. Before opening and closing the service, and at least one during the operation hours, cleaning and disinfection will be carried out on contact surfaces. Entertainment programs and day and night shows will be held in open areas, respecting physical distancing, and with table and chairs maintain a distance of 1.5 to 2 meters between them. Regarding maximizing epidemiologic monitoring, workers at their entrance will be ensured the conditions required to disinfect footwear, wash their hands, use antibacterial gel, and have their temperature taken by qualified personnel. In restaurants for employees, changing rooms, lockers, bathroom and wall areas will be reinforced sanitary conditions, such as hand washing and availability of product for personal protection. It will be ensured the correct use of uniforms, their optimal state of conservation and cleanliness, as well as avoiding the use of them outside areas of the hotel. For greater health safety, a hygiene specialist will be available at all hotels who will ensure the supervision and control of compliance with hygiene and health measures protocols. Our reason for being is to offer our guests hospitality, safety, and confidence in all the services we provide, redesigned in accordance with the international context of the tourism industry.